We got to remember the basics. What did we understand? What did we learn from this year? You know what I learned? Good evening, my people. Good afternoon, my people. So, I got my little special guest here. He's going to introduce himself. What's your name?
Kyle.
And
Like to subscribe.
So, I have my oldest son here, man. We're going to be doing an unboxing on this 15-in-1 home office. So, yesterday was my birthday. My mom had gifted me this gift, man. I didn't want to unbox it without showing you guys this cool little thing that my mama got me. Like, I feel this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be definitely a great episode to watch. Keep tapped in, like and subscribe, and let's do the unboxing, shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yeah! So my big man here, he's gonna be doing the opening up. So tell me what we got here, Kai.
We got this board right here. Your computer can go here, and then there's like this thing, like you can do something with it. And it also comes with a suitcase. You can put it in the suitcase.
You can put it in the suitcase?
Yeah.
Yo, let's open this bad boy up, shall we? So we might have to pick this thing back up. Okay. Ooh, pick it up. So let's take this off. Boom. And then, yes, sir. We up on board. Go ahead, Kai. Boom. Ooh, what we have here? What we got here, Kai?
We got this board inside.
We got this. What is that?
Board inside.
Morningside.
No, board inside.
It's a board inside?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, you see how this is? This is a board, but this is a suitcase.
Yeah,
Look.
suitcase. So
Gotta love them.
A few minutes later.
Let's see what we got. All right, let's take it out the box. Ugh. Okay, so it's
it's a suitcase. I'll take this side out. I'll take this side out. It's a letter.
what is these things called? What is these things called?
Ladder.
Huh?
Ladders.
These are called ladders?
No.
They look kind of like ladders.
Yes, they look like ladders.
Boom! We got it here, people. Let's open it. Wow. That's cool.
It got instructions.
It got instructions.
Yes, sir.
Oh, to here?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Oh.
This is right here. This.
What is that?
It's a lock.
It's a lock.
Yeah, right here.
Ooh, bless you. We got both locks open. Time to open her up. Okay. Now that's cool.
Don't you be okay?
Now, I gotta admit, it looks a lot smaller than what I pictured, but this thing is impeccable. What? It has a storage, also a little cover-up storage where you can store your pens, man. It comes with outlets. It also comes with a USB and a USB-C. And this thing comes with a whiteboard. And this thing, okay, hold on. What's this right here?
No.
Can you open this for me, Kai?
Yep.
Come along, my good self. What we got? Ooh. Go ahead. Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay. So I'm guessing it's plugged in right there. So let's plug this into here. Off we go. Oh. So after some tunnel hunting, we had to find where this goes. Where does this plug into? And it plugs it right into the back. Let's show. Boom, we plug it in right into here. Let's plug that sucker in. Yes, sir. There we go. Go ahead, man. Plug it in. Good job. What we got? So, boom. We over here. Now that we got it plugged in, let's try these. Ooh.
Lots of times it.
What? And this the little stability. Gives this thing stability. So this thing stands up.
And
You
then
put your markers, your markers, your Sharpies.
it also comes with another one. Another this.
What's that?
It's another stretching.
There's another instructions.
It's totally the same thing.
Do you know a lot of those words in there?
No, sir.
That's awesome though. Like, this is really cool. And it has everything kind of built into it, man. This is pretty awesome. But with that being said, just wanted to show you guys a little quick opening of what we had, man. So I'm gonna let my man Kai bring us out. What you got to say for the fans?
Me and Daddy gonna have some fun every day.
Yeah, that's what we do, man. This my little man. I'm happy that you guys were along for the journey, man. Watching us open this box.
And click and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Dig.